Yes.
So in the process of installing and doing the R&D for our radiator and heat exchanger on the 400Z, we ran into an issue where we pulled the hood latch and the hood wouldn't open. And we figured out what happened is that this panel has 5 different size bolts, and if you put the wrong bolt to connect the hood latch right here, what happens is it blocks the mechanism. See, this is the right bolt, the 15mm bolt. You still have enough room for the mechanism to engage. Whereas if you use any longer bolt, like this 19mm bolt, it goes in there and it blocks the mechanism, and then the hood won't open. It's quite a dilemma. You have to go underneath the car and unlatch it, so make sure that when you're reinstalling everything, you keep track of the bolts, what goes where, and make sure the 15mm long bolt goes in here. This is the biggest issue you could run into while installing the radiator heat exchanger, so we just wanted to let you know so that this doesn't happen to you like it happened to us.